Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, Diamond Rose. I hope you guys are refreshed and happy at these jobs that I have lined up for you guys for today. Today, just posted is a customer service advocate position. It's a remote position for $19 per hour full-time. And this job is based out in Columbus, Ohio. And the benefits of this job is a dental insurance, health insurance, life insurance, opportunities for advancement, and paid training. Customer service advocate job, this is what they expect from you from the job description. Are you looking to get your feet in the door with a nationally recognized insurance company that has amazing growth opportunities? Join our team that has made the list of best employers for several years. If you are driven, possess strong communication skills, and have a desire to advance, become a customer service professional, with an excellent Monday through Friday schedule and a collaborative culture, this is a fascinating entry point into a great corporation that enables multiple opportunities to advance. At a company that prides themselves on their renowned training program, you will be taught everything that you need to know. No experience is required. The role will be a full-time remote work-from-home position. About Innosource. Innosource has been putting passion to work for over 25 years. We care about associates and our clients, and we aim to deliver for both. This means connecting each individual with the best long-term career fit based on unique skills and needs, and guiding you through the process along the way. Key responsibilities. Customer service advocate. This is it. This is the responsibilities for this role. Provide exceptional customer service while building relationship with existing customers all over the U.S. Assist customers with a range of complex inquiries, ranging from financial to general insurance questions. Play an instrumental role in helping customers make the best decision possible regarding their financial needs. Help to support team success with daily team meetings and a strong corporation. The education and experience you need for this job is a bachelor's degree, highly preferred but not required. 1 to 2 years customer service experience preferred in any industry, retail, restaurant, banking, data entry, etc. No licensing or insurance experience required. Desire to build a career. The benefits and pay for this job, of course, it's $19 an hour starting pay. You don't have to have any type of experience to join this job, you guys. $19 off the bat. That's wonderful. Medical, dental, and life insurance benefits. Opportunities to earn pay increases within your first year. Paid training for 4 weeks from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Availability Monday to Friday, between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Full-time set schedule within this time frame. Fully remote work from home job. This is an equal opportunity employer, and they don't sugarcoat. That's a great thing. They place that there because everybody also, feel diverse and wanted at a job. And I love this about how they just place that down there. And you have to have banking experience and some skills. This is a bachelor's degree is preferred, not required, and banking preferred, not required. So they listed this inside of the description that where is that? No experience required. So this is a great job right here, job opportunity for anyone who's just trying to get their feet in the door when it comes to being a customer service representative. Now the next job is Randstad. Randstad General Staffing is a remote position for $16 to $20 per hour. It's full-time. It's an 8-hour shift. And the educational certifications that you need are not going to say need, preferred, not required, is associate's degree. And this is $16 to $20 per hour for this job. Is full-time or either temporary position. The salary is there right here. And which is what I just stated up there, not yearly one, but it's the hourly one. I like the hourly one. I mean, I like the yearly one too, but I love to see both on the resumes. I mean, on the Indeed.com. It's awesome. One or the other, but it's still all good. Are you looking to use your skills in a new credentialing specialist position. One of your top clients is hiring remotely in Austin, Texas. Summary: the credentialing specialist is responsible for credentialing individual, facility, and or ancillary medical, surgical providers to ensure all credential standards and internal requirements are met and maintained. If this position interests you, apply today. This shift is first shift. Work hours is 8:30 a.m. through 5 p.m. Education associate's degree. Responsibilities: verifies and maintains all network, individual, and or facility ancillary providers information. Monitor disciplinary actions and follow up accordingly. Corresponds with licensing board, hospitals, certification agencies, training programs, and medical groups to resolve any issues. Ensures and maintains overall accuracy of credentialing database. Gathers data, builds, runs, reports, and sends out updates. Corresponds with licensing board, hospital certification agencies, training programs, and medical groups, practitioners, office staff, and provider network administrators, contracting and management to resolve issues. May review and identify credentialing or re-credentialing practitioners, including verifications of correspondence, data entry, etc., in accordance with company policies and procedures. Skills: you need credentialing specialist as a skill to join this job. Qualifications is years of experience. This 2 years you have to have under your belt, and experience level is experienced. Randstad is a world leader in matching great people with great companies. Our experienced agents will listen carefully to your employment needs and then work diligently to match your skills and qualifications to the right job and company. Whether you're looking for temporary to permanent, or permanent opportunities, no one works harder for you than Randstad. Equal opportunity employers about race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, national origin, age, genetic information, disability, protected veteran status, or any other legally protected group status. At Randstad, we welcome people of all abilities, want to ensure that our hiring and interview process meets the needs of all applicants. If you require reasonable accommodation to make your application or interview experience a great one, please contact HR support at randstadusa.com. For certain assignments, COVID-19 vaccinations or testing may be required. Randstad's client or applicable federal mandate, subject to approved medical or religious accommodation. Carefully review the job posting for details on vaccine testing requirements, or ask your Randstad representative for more information. So if you guys sound like this is a great move for you guys to make, so go ahead and apply. You can go ahead and apply. So you guys, I'm giving out all these great jobs that are just posted, and hopefully you guys will be able to get on it, jump on it quick, because these jobs, they move rather quickly. So these jobs, just go ahead and apply, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it at that. Those two are the 2 jobs that I have for this video. Diamonds, keep on sparkling. Keep your swag on. You're amazing. You're fabulous. You're an amazing person. And you just keep on going. Keep going. Do what you have to do. And until the next video, I will see you guys later. Have a nice one. Bye.